Blink twice if you're nervous. The CZ Shadow 2 has a cold Hamel. It's Hamel time.
Can't touch this.
All right. The cold
Break it down. Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right.
In essence, you are walking around. If you're carrying a firearm or a shoulder rig and a fire.
Then good for you.
Good for all.
Yep. I haven't had a.
All right. Now you can't even say it.
I can't even say it. I'm having a very slow stroke.
It builds up.
It's been going on for about 12 years now. So.
Slow stroke.
Very slow stroke. I dilapidate a little every day.
Dilapidate?
Dilapidate. All right. It's gonna keep going.
See what I mean?
But why? Is that your booger?
No, it's not. Ready? The CZ, you look like you are just miserable. Like she's over here like. That's how she stroke. Check out this stroke.
On your mark, get set, action.
Why?
Why'd you with the dog?
I didn't. She's going back to sleep.
She about bitches.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Why?
all right. Because I'm a child.
Now the Magnum Hunter does come with a zipper case in the box and also a UTG red or green dot, which is super easy to mount on the Picatinny rail.
Jen was going through a process in her mind when you started talking about the case. She gave me a look of, what are we talking about?
I can bring both things up, and all she has to do is say it has a battery.
You just threw her for a loop.
It has a battery.
I was on track and you f***ing derailed.
Good.
Go team. That was actually a really good high five.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, absolutely. So.
I wouldn't do it.
Thus.
Most fourthly. Thus most fourthly and forthright of thou
art
with thee
ye
shall
not
fortnight.
What is that?
It was the only English thing I could think of. Oh, it's one Sunday fortnight.
The CZ Shadow 2 was released somewhere around 2016. F you. Ready? The CZ Shadow 2 is a gun that everyone's been talking.
He said that no so nonchalantly. The CZ, f*** you.
Yeah, well, get used to it. I f***ed up a lot. All right, Jen.
All right, Jen. All right, Al. Let's get to it, Al.
All right.
Jack Wagon.
Whoa.
Bye.
My name is not Jack, and I haven't had a wagon for a long time.
Kylie, where are some of the other... Kylie...
Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. See, I'm bringing the robot into a 70s dance. I feel like we're really good at this. It's the gun dance.
Okay.
God,
Are y'all done? Did you get it out of your
we probably got
system?
more stupid in us.